Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter 6 with two controllers. First, ensure both of your controllers are properly connected to your gaming console or personal computer. Once connected, launch Street Fighter 6. From the main menu, you'll want to select the Fighting Ground option. This area is where you can access various battle modes. Finally, choose Versus mode to set up a local two-player match. After selecting Versus mode, each player will need to confirm their controller. The game typically assigns Player 1 and Player 2 automatically. You can access the Options menu to customize your button layouts, ensuring comfort and familiarity. Feel free to adjust sensitivity or vibration settings to your liking. It's a good idea to confirm all your settings before diving into the fight, ensuring a smooth experience for both players. Now for the exciting part, character selection. Each player will choose their favorite fighter from the diverse roster of characters available in Street Fighter 6. After both players have made their selections, you'll then pick a battle stage. There are many unique stages to choose from, each with its own visual flair. Take a moment to review your character's special moves and abilities before the countdown begins. With everything set up, you're ready to enjoy competitive local multiplayer battles. Playing with two controllers allows for direct head-to-head combat, offering a truly engaging experience. It's a fantastic way to practice new techniques against a friend or simply enjoy the thrill of fighting side by side. Gather your friends, pick your fighters, and have a blast playing Street Fighter 6 together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.